Ybor City. 1037. I'm in Biscoe. I don't know what street I'm on. We're pulling into a residence, going through the yard. Let me see your hands! Wrecked out. Let me see your hands! Let me see your hands! Let me see both of your hands! Both of your hands out the window. With your left hand, open the door. With your left hand, open the door. Keep both hands in the air. Both hands in the air.
Just crashed out on the city street.
Both hands. Let me see both of your hands, Dwayne. Step out of the vehicle, both hands in the air. Felony takedown. Stand up. Go straight to the ground. Go straight to the ground. Straight to the ground, Dwayne. Both hands out in front of you. Both hands out. Like an airplane, Dwayne. Is there anybody else in the vehicle, Dwayne? Don't move.
I ain't gonna move. I'm a Can't hold my right arm is hurt. My right arm is hurt. My right arm is hurt.
That was pretty stupid.
Chance, don't do that, bro. Make it out, Chance. God damn it, you hurt. Chance, you hurt my arm, man. Chance, my arm is hurt.
You started me at 10-16 minutes. Go away.
Chance, my arm is hurt, bro. Please. Chance.
What?
Man, my arm is cramped. My right arm. I heard it when I ripped.
Yeah, I'm good. We just made the
Chance.
whoopie-doos to the yard.
Chance.
Roll over inside, Dwayne.
Just unloose me, man. I'm hurt.
Why are you running, Dwayne?
Cause you're just fucking around with you. I know you go chase me. You just fucking Chance.
On Wednesday, March 12, 2025, at approximately 4:42 p.m. I observed a red Volkswagen Beetle AR traveling eastbound on United States Highway 70, traveling at a high rate of speed, to which my front radar confirmed 64 in a 40 mph zone. I attempted to catch up to the vehicle, which it made a left-hand turn onto Broad Street going into Biscoe to conduct a traffic stop on the car for the violation. After the subject made the left-hand turn onto Broad Street, he passed a vehicle on the city street and began traveling at a high rate of speed, actively fleeing. I initiated my emergency lights and siren in an attempt to stop the subject, but he continued actively fleeing on Broad Street, failing to stop at multiple stop signs without slowing down. The subject traveled approximately a mile before turning into a residence on Boyd Street in Biscoe, making a loop through the yard before continuing southbound on Boyd Street. After the subject got back on the roadway, he left the roadway off the east side and struck a light pole with his driver's front. I conducted a felony takedown before placing the subject under arrest. He was identified as Jones BMDOB March 16, 1967. After searching the vehicle, I located one pill bottle with approximately 8 Xanax pills located within it. The pill bottle had a label on it as Buspirone. The subject was placed under arrest and transported to the Prairie County Detention Center. Charges filed: 554-125 fleeing felony vehicle or conveyance substantial danger or death Class B felony. 2750-302 speeding more than 15 miles per hour over limit. 2750-308 reckless driving first. 564-419 posse of a controlled substance Schedule 4, V-Class a misdemeanor. 2751-601 failed to obey stop sign. 2753-105 striking fixtures upon highway.
Thank you for watching my video. Please support my channel by liking, commenting and sharing. Thank you.